Good morning, friends. Myself, Jatin Dave from Ashapura School, Bhuj. Welcome all of you, dear students. Today we are going to start in Standard 9, subject Mathematics, chapter number 1, Number System. Once again, welcome all of you. And now we are going to start our first lesson, natural number. After discussing a further theory of the number system, some number set revised once again. So, shall we start? Okay. Now we start with the natural numbers from a number system. What is a natural number? Students, do you know very well the numbers in a number system, the natural number is also called a counting number. That means a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. etc. are called the natural number. So let's see first one, the natural number. Natural number means counting number like 1, 2, 3, 4 up to etc. are the natural numbers. We denoted the collection of the natural numbers by capital N, N for natural. So first things, counting numbers 1 to infinitive numbers are the natural numbers, and their numbers or collection of the natural numbers denoted by capital N. 1 is the smallest natural number. 1 is the smallest natural number, and they are infinitive numbers present. Okay, now number second, the whole number. The whole number. All the natural numbers together with 0. All the natural numbers together with 0, it is called a whole number and denoted a group of whole numbers by W. W means whole. W for whole. Once again, what is a whole number? All the natural number include with 0 or together with 0. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity numbers are called the whole numbers. It is denoted by W. W for whole numbers. One more thing, 0 is the smallest whole number. 0 is the smallest whole number, and whole numbers are also infinitively. Okay, now third one, set of the integers. What is integer? The negative numbers, the positive numbers and 0 together form the set of integer. What is integer? Integer set include a positive numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Negative numbers like -1, -2, -3, -4 up to infinities. And we then include 0. That means negative integers, negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. All numbers are together and form the integer. Integer number set is denoted by Z. Integer number set is denoted by Z. What is meant by Z? Z is a German word. Z is a German word which means zählen. German word zählen, which means to count. Dear students, Z सिंबल लिया गया है एक जर्मन वर्ड से जिसका वर्ड है zählen, और zählen का सिंपल मीन्स होता है to count. Therefore, the integer number is also a counting number, but these numbers are included 0 and negative numbers too. Okay, there are 3 sets is the main base of the number system. First one of the natural number, second was the whole number, and third one is the integer. Now we introduce a fourth number system is called the rational number. Which number is called the rational number? A number A upon B is a rational number. A upon B is a rational number if A and B belongs to Z. Z माने integers. If A and B are the integer, either a negative number, 0 or positive number, and B is not equal to 0. b is not equal to 0. Why b is not equal to 0? Because b is situated in the denominator of the a upon b form. That's why b is not equal to 0. If b is equal to 0, the number is undefined. So rational number, a number a upon b is a rational number if a and b are the integers or belongs to z and b is not equal to 0. Rational number include all three basic number system or all three basic number set. That means rational number include the natural numbers, means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity numbers. It include whole numbers, means along with the 0, and also include with the integers, means negative numbers. So natural numbers, whole numbers and integers all are included, and also all the type of fractions, positive or negative fractions. So once again repeat, rational number include natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and all the fractions, positive or negative. The collection of the rational number is denoted by Q, capital Q. It is denoted by Q. That means, where is Q comes? Q comes from the word quotient. Q comes from the word quotient, and rational word comes from the ratio. Rational word comes from the ratio. So dear students, first of all, in a number system we are introduced or remember a 4 type of number system. First one, a natural number system. Second, a whole number system. Third, a integer number system. And fourth, the rational number system. So please read once again carefully and please note down your notebook. And then after, now we are going to learn a rational number between two given rational numbers. Rational number between two given rational number, how it can be find out. How it can be find out. So please, just a moment. First one, you read carefully and write down in your notebook, and then after we start the second point. Please write down carefully. Now we start our next point. Dear students, our point is find out rational numbers between the two given rational number. So write down first the formula. Which formula used to find the between given numbers? Please write down in your notebook. Let x and y be two rational numbers such that x is less than y. 4. Finding n rational number, n means require rational numbers between two given numbers. X and y, let d is equal to y minus x are our given number, n plus 1. N is required number between two given numbers. Then n rational number between x and y are x plus d, x plus 2d, x plus 3d, up to etc. to find out the nth number. Now, for example, number 1, find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Please write down the formula, and now we calculate the first example. Let x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4, and n is equal to 6. We want to 6 rational numbers between the two given rational numbers are 3 and 4. So first one, we find out the d. D means difference. Y minus x by n plus 1. Substitute the value. 4 minus 3 by 6 plus 1 is equal to 4 minus 3, 1 by 7. Now our given numbers are, then x plus d is equal to, x is 3, so 3 plus 1 upon 7. Second number, x plus 2d is equal to 3 plus 2 into 1 by 7. Third number, x plus 3d is equal to 3 plus 3 into 1 by 7. X plus 4d is equal to 3 plus 4 into 1 by 7. X plus 5d is equal to 3 plus 5 into 1 by 7, and x plus 6d is equal to 3 plus 6 into 1 by 7. Okay, now simplify that. 3 integer plus 1 by 7, we get 22 by 7. How we get? 7 3s are 21. Plus 1, 22 by 7. Second one, 3 plus 2 by 7. 2 ones are 2. So 7 3s are 21 plus 2 means 23 by 7. Third one, consequently, the number is 24 by 7, here 25 by 7, and consequently we try to understand and calculate the numbers. Then finally we get, which are 6 numbers? The numbers are, we write down here, our answer is 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, and 27 by 7 are our required rational number. Okay, this is our answer. So dear students, today we discuss 2 points from the chapter number 1, number system. First of all, we discuss different number sets like a natural number, whole number, integer numbers, and rational numbers. And then after the second point, how we can find the rational numbers between the two given rational numbers. Here the formula to find out the rational number. First one, let be x and y, and then find the difference between the numbers, and then after we use the series of the consequence number x plus d plus x plus 2d up to x raised to up to x plus n into d. How we can find out? We also show the one example from here. Please write down your notebook and try to complete the exercise number 1.1 from your textbook. Thank you and bye.